Wait, did you catch that? I've arrested her for child abuse against them. This isn't a first-time incident. That statement alone changes everything. In court, prior arrests, even if they didn't lead to convictions, can influence how a judge views credibility and risk. This just went from family dispute to a possible pattern of behavior.
Stay outside. Stay outside. Yeah.
She's calling. My little car. She had my cousin. Okay. Now what happened?
Be advised, the suspect, Angela, was walked inside and I was locked the door. She walked inside. Her name's Angela. I don't know. She walked in the side door and then locked it. Do you need EMS?
Yeah, I'm worried about her. She done scratched him up and choked him up.
Hey, Ephraim, I'm here with the victim. We're going to need a footage.
No.
How old?
He's 16. I don't know how old she is.
15.
Oh,
For being hit?
yeah.
It's going to be for a 15-year-old that was hit and hospitalized.
Was you there too?
Do you know, was she hitting her kids as well?
I'm guessing. She choked him. The boy in the gray shirt, that's the boyfriend. She choked him up, scratched him up.
So there are a bunch of kids that live in here because I've arrested her for child abuse against them.
Just open the door.
Yeah, that's her with the red hair. She's the suspect of the 10 over here and the domestic.
Thank you.
What's going on? What happened?
So, I had to go and file defiant charge on interference in custody of Dad. She was running away, being defiant, didn't want to come back home. We're in the middle of trying to move Florida, as you see, packing everything.
Now here's where things get legally interesting. She's correct about one thing. At 15, the parent typically has custodial authority. But custody rights do not give someone the right to use force. You can enforce rules. You cannot enforce them with violence. The courtroom draws a very sharp line there.
So we're not even supposed to be here. She's refusing to go. Alright, that's fine. I called the police yesterday. Anyway, she wasn't making the scene until she sent me off the letter. But anyways, I had the police report and I filed it. She's interfering with custody. She's trying to tell me she can do whatever she wants to do. She doesn't have to come back. She doesn't have to listen to me. Dad's sitting there coasting and going ahead and instigating, coasting the situation. Like, yeah, you don't have to listen to her. When she called the police ain't gonna make you go nowhere or make you go anywhere or do anything because they're not gonna do it. All right, call the police. This is exactly what happened. Whatever Dad talked to her and brainwashed her into thinking, that's fine. It happened and she did it. The police, you guys said that you couldn't make her go anywhere. I filed interference and custody charges on her today. Went ahead and called the schools that she was trying to go ahead and sign herself up for illegally because she's not even in that district. Okay. Knowing very well I have sole custody of her. So as a 15-year-old, you just turned 15, you have no authority to say what you want to do or what you want to do, whatever you want to until you turn 18. That's just what it is. It's legally, I'm responsible for you. So if something happens, guess who's going to be the one responsible and in trouble? Me. So school starts in a couple days, you need to come on over here. Why are you being defiant? So I told her, I let it go. Let her stay over there. I talked to the aunt today, got good advice. They said, all right, well, let her cool it down, see where it goes. I'll talk to my nephew, and then we'll talk to her about coming to...
This is the tension point. The boyfriend is 16. He's defending himself, which legally he has a right to do. But if he had retaliated harder, now he risks catching a charge too. Self-defense laws protect you, up to a point. Once force becomes excessive, the roles can flip instantly.
Talk it out with you, figure out what we can do as far as next steps. Okay, she get over here. I'm taking her stuff, and I have the boys take her stuff out because she came in here, I don't know when she did it, packed her stuff, and had to just sit here on my porch. So you were sitting here premeditated, already knew you was going to play premeditated and do this because you got my kids took the last time when you did this foolish shenanigan. Had this stuff packed on my porch and some bags up in her room to sit here breaking my house while I was out of state. I got wind of it from somebody else. So I called down back and I told her. So your niece is trying to break in my house while I'm out of state?
Officers are dealing with her. I've dealt with her before, okay? Are you mom?
No.
Okay.
That's my little cousin. He called my mom and said she was in the background beating on him, choking him, scratching. He got a scratch here. She had him in a headlock.
Are they able to say, or are they just staying in the car?
I just wanted her to sit in the car.
No, that's
she
fine.
was sitting on the ground.
So who all over here besides her did she hit? You know,
My little cousin right there. Yeah. Okay. And he got scratches everywhere. Oh, what? I feel like it broke.
Hey guys.
She fell on my and she wouldn't get off. She kept out of oh, get off of me!
I'm trying to take you. Chill out.
Bro, move!
Alright, would you? So you also got clearly. Alright, so what?
The neighbors.
Bro, I came here to get my clothes with her. She just ran up on her and hit her.
With a brick.
You tried to hit her with a brick right there in the
Tried to hit
yard.
her with a brick.
But the Geneva put it out her hand. And I was just trying to break up the fight. She hit me all in my face, scratched me.
So she
Choked me.
was going after you first, is that correct? Okay. Can you remember what kind of started it?
No, I came to get my clothes to go back to my dad. And she just, I don't know, she just ran up on me, happened too fast. I don't know, she kept trying to fight me. I don't know.
Okay, well, wait, I got EMS coming to check you out, okay?
Calm down, baby. Your lip hurt? She hit you in your mouth?
She hit me everywhere. She was punching me.
Oh yeah, I see the scratch on your neck.
I definitely pushed her back though. Cause if she hit me again, I would have knocked her ass out.
So, okay.
You gotta protect yourself at the end of the day, and you're only 16. Why are you hitting anybody's kids?
Exactly.
That's not your kids.
So, from the time you get here, can you run me through exactly what happened?
So I got here. When I first got here, it was all good. And then I was just like getting the stuff out the house and shit. She was like, push my hand out, put it down and stuff. And then she just ran up on her and started hitting her. So we're trying to break it up.
And there it is, the moment everything becomes official. Once those cuffs click, this isn't a family disagreement anymore. It's a criminal case. From here, it's booking, bond hearing, probable cause review, and potentially a protective order that could legally restrict her from contacting her own child.
All of that and stuff. And then she just started hitting me because I'm trying to break it up. She was saying, Geneva or two, you was trying to break it up. And then she grabbed the brick. He put it down because she was about to hit her with it.
Was she saying anything?
Yeah, she was like, you did. She was like saying all type of shit. You a hoe. You got trained, all type of shit, all type of stuff. You know?
So we got into it. Got into an argument. She trying to take her stuff. Legally, you guys are trespassing. You need to go. So she went to go grab the bags. I'm like, no, you're going to leave the bags here.
Your daughter?
And her little boyfriend. You guys are trying to grab the bags, and you're trespassing. You have no reason to be here. Your stuff's going to be in the garage until I get back, because you're not about to break in my house while I'm gone to come retrieve your stuff. It's not about to happen like that. You're still 15. You don't get to do what you want to do. You don't get to break in my house, and you don't get to tell me what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. It's just not going to happen. So I went to grab the bags. They proceeded to jump on me. So yeah, I have the right to defend myself. You guys are trespassing my property. I already told you guys to leave. I have no trespassing signs. I own this house. So if I'm telling you to leave and you're still doing it anyways, and I go to grab your bags to go put them in the garage, and then you hit on me, I got every right to hit back at this point. So I'm defending myself.
So when you say
now everybody's holding me.
If I'm asking a question, hold on. All right, I understand you're upset, but I have to be able to clarify some things. Give me a chance to ask a question, okay? When you say jumping on you, what do you mean?
Exactly what I mean. I'm pregnant, so at this point now I'm defending my baby.
I need details about what this jump on you means.
Jumping on me, grabbing me by my hair, trying to pull me down. We're over here, and now we're both going at it at this point. Because now you're trying to jump on me, I'm pushing you off of me. So now I'm grabbing and pulling your hoodie to get you off of me while you're sitting here on me. So you're hitting me.
Hold on. Breathe. All right.
I can't. It's hot. You have me sitting on this hot porch. I can't even sit in front of the fan, and I'm pregnant right now.
So when you say they jumped on you, they were pulling your hair. They were jumped on you, pulling on your hair, trying to push you down. Is that it?
Pushing me down, and I already tell you, get off my property, get away from my house. You're not supposed to be here trespassing. Now, at this point, whatever happens, happens. But I told you both, all of y'all, get off of me. Don't touch me. Stop holding me back. She's not supposed to be here. He's not supposed to be here.
What's your name, man?
Get out of my house.
You guys see what happened?
I didn't actually see what happened, but I saw the mother trying to come at her and hear the bricks and all that. And then when I walked past, her face was scratched up real bad. And she kept saying, leave me alone, little girl. Leave me alone, leave me alone. And her mother just kept trying to get to her. Her oldest brother with the dreads, he kept trying to defuse the situation. But the mother, is it the one?
Was that?
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, I saw it. I'm sorry.
The one with the red shirt. That's the one that ran. The mother, she threatened to knock him out because he was trying to stop her from jumping on his sister. But the mother was very aggressive. Yeah, she was aggressive.
I've dealt with her before.
Oh, okay. She's not with you guys.
Alright, so listen, as of now, from this point in the investigation, you are under arrest. Let's stand up and stand right back there. Here, don't make this difficult.
Okay.
You know the process, it's alright. You know, you'll still get a day in court and everything like that. So.
Ghana.
Here, stand up now.
Stand up.
Ghana, they're arresting me.
Yep.
All right.
Stand up first, please.
Hold
Put your
on,
hands behind your back.
hold on.
This is where cases get messy. The video doesn't show who started it. Witnesses didn't see the initial strike. That creates what lawyers call conflicting narratives. And when that happens, prosecutors lean heavily on visible injuries and third-party testimony.
Let me get my stuff out of my pocket. Can I get my keys?
Don't reach for it.
Yeah, we're not going to do that.
You're okay.
Clasp your hands together like you're praying, okay?
We'll take your property out of your pockets and give it to me. Do not pull away.
My skin got worse.
Clasp your hands together like
That's a
you're
bad
praying,
idea.
okay?
New routine, so it doesn't take all day.
You want her in our car? Jackson, you want her in our car? We'll take her in our car. Alright. We're gonna go down here to the right.
And then my purse. Can you
We're gonna
guys
try to
please
get
give
your
it
purse. I don't know where your purse is, but we're gonna do our best to find it, alright?
What am I being charged with?
I don't know, I've been with you the whole time. We're gonna go to this cruiser. We're gonna go to the...
Well, my sister's there, and then all my aunts coming to get all of my kids. He was a blood relative. So.
Okay. That works out for us. Alright, we're gonna go up to this front wheel here, and then my partner's gonna make sure we're gonna get that cruiser key or whatever you had in your pocket up to this front wheel. Nothing we missed, something you know
Can I
about?
just get this hair out of my face, or can you get it out of my face? Yes. No, it's in my eye. No, another.
Alright, watch your head when you get in. For a bit. You mind just hanging out with her? Appreciate it. So what's going to happen tonight is she's going to go to jail, and she's going to go before a judge tomorrow, and she'll get her bond set and get out. So that's where we're at right now. That's as much as I know as well. So just hang tight.
I was with my daughters, but she was 16 at the time. Over this happened over 14 years ago. I was arrested for they arrested me for DV. Then they dropped it down to disorderly conduct or whatnot. Like I said, I was pregnant with my daughter at the time, my 14-year-old daughter. But she called me, and I snapped because I'm like, oh, I'm sitting up here doing this by myself. You're taking me. I was married. But I'm taking care of you by myself and everything else, and you want to be defiant. And then on top of it, when I didn't have custody of her because I was going through the same thing as Angela or whatnot, she broke into an abandoned apartment having sex.
Yeah, that's rough.
So it's like, you know, I got my ass with switches, belts, sticks, everything.
Usually, that's whatever the judge is, because some judges, I've seen judges literally tell people, you know, go tails. And then I've seen other judges go,
But see, the thing is, see, if I didn't get arrested for my oldest daughter, my son who's doing bedtime right now and been in and out of jail, filed so many unrulies here and everything else since he was 16, going through the same thing. If I didn't get arrested for that, and I was able to whip some ass with my son, I wouldn't, trust me and believe me, he wouldn't be in locked up. Y'all wouldn't have him dealing with his ass.
There is video of it, obviously, and I saw that.
I didn't see anything. I was
Right,
just,
and it's because the independent witnesses didn't see who started the initial fight, and that's where we have conflicting stories. And the video shows in the middle.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because of that,
I mean, tomorrow.
but that video also doesn't help Angela.
It does not.
Right?
Oh, I'm
But
sure.
I'm not saying either one was in the wrong or in the right, but
Easy was definitely in the wrong. I mean, there's a difference between, you know,
but it's
disciplining your children.
so the charges are solely based off of what someone who doesn't have to do with the family, isn't a relative, saw. That's all the charges are based off of currently.
I was just wondering because of the fact that I know Amara had a part in it.
And so what happens in court could
Is something going different.
Right. Like she got charged with 6 counts of felony endangering last time, and it all got dropped. Didn't even get pled down, it all got dropped. So you never know what can happen, right?
Exactly. I'm just worried because I mean I know, you know, it doesn't look good for her. I mean I know, and I know she tripped, and I know she flipped out. I know she's got a lot of motives.
Right. That happens when you have something,
everything
thing after thing piling up.
Exactly.
I get that.